a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
I guess I can do a haul just sitting down right here. My little thingamajig is not working. I got this from Coach. It's pretty nice and soft. Has a shorter handle, you know, so that you can carry it like so. And it comes with this, like, I fell in love with this wallet because I have so many cards, and I don't have it in right now, but it has, you know, it has a lot of compartments in here. And my cards, I used my cards yesterday, so I didn't put them back in place, but as you see, it's really good. And it has 2 sides. I actually bought a Coach bag, and when I got it, it was the wrong one. So I went to the outlet, Jackson Outlet in Jersey. So I rode there by myself, and the wallet I had to was wrong, so I changed the wallet and got this and got that. A little bit more, but it's worth it. I got these cute little gloves from Burlington Coat Factory. But I got this cute little hat from Burlington as well, New York and Company.
Wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
I got this beautiful leather from New York and Company. When I tell you, oh my goodness, it was like made for me. This is an extra small. It doesn't have any buttons. Basically, you wrap it. And it's really beautiful. I love this coat. I love this coat.
You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say.
I have so many clothes that I have not been wearing anything. Beautiful clothes. And I just was not in the mood. Basically waiting for my lounge to be done. I really have to step up now and show you my fashion. Yesterday I got 9 pair of thigh-high boots, and I got these numbers here, and I got this also in a caramel color, and I love it. I just love this look. I love this look. Can't go wrong. And my little glasses on. I just hate that with this pandemic, you really can't go anywhere. Like, where am I going? You know? Where am I going?
Bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back.
I really don't like stores like that, but they have good name brands in Burlington, and you have to really look hard and and find what's you.
I want to